Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can motion track object in CapCut and make sure that camera follows you. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for CapCut, and you need to update CapCut application, and then you need to open CapCut. So once you open, you simply need to do is to click on your project, select a clip, click on add. So once clip is added, you simply need to click here, and here you need to add, click on text, click on add text, and here you need to add the, I think the best one is to add the dot. Okay, and make it a bigger. So let me add the dot here. You can change the color as well. Okay, so once it is added, now you need to motion track this dot. Okay, and add here a keyframe, and now you need to move that dot down like this. Here you can see that it is moving up. Select this one, add keyframe here, move dot again here, select clip, add keyframe here, move this dot again, add keyframe here, and by doing this you can create effect that follows the camera. So you need to make sure that you add keyframes, and after that it will follows the camera. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.